Are you ready to take the first step into the exciting world of software testing? Introducing Fun-2-3, the beginner's online course that makes quality assurance accessible to everyone. No prior computer science skills are necessary, just a passion for learning and basic computer skills would be enough. Here's what that sets Fun-2-3 apart. It's absolutely free. No financial commitment is needed to explore your new career path. Taught by two industry experts with the combined experience of 23 plus years in software development and testing. It is 10% lectures and 90% hands-on activities. We are preaching learning but doing the real work rather than boring lectures to put you asleep. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge to decide if a software tester career is right for you or not. And that's not all. We also help you to pave a roadmap for affordable and effective education thereafter. Do not miss your chance to embark on the rewarding journey with Fun-2-3. Enroll today and open the door to a world of possibilities. Do not wait. Hit the link below for more information and register right now. I hope to see you next Monday in our online classroom. Take care.